Today we'll be going over Zip HACCP's mobile application. When you open the application, you're greeted with daily frequency, and at the bottom you can cycle through weekly, monthly, as well as check your home dashboard if you're a manager or above. If we go into a category, like the welcome category, it'll show you the checklist, how many tasks are within, as well as due time. And as we click in, you'll enter a detailed view of the actual task. At the bottom, you'll see follow-up, assign task, attach photo, comments, and share. You'll also see an information icon in the middle right. If you click on that, it'll give you task explanation. If we go back, we can leave a follow-up. Follow-up comments essentially tell management that there needs to be a follow-up. It's not critical, but it does need the attention of a supervisor. Save. Assign task. You can select employee roles as well as employees to assign a task. And attach a photo. If you click attach photo, you can attach a photo or record take a picture of a particular object or whatever the management requires you to do. Comments, that's essentially an audit trail of all the tasks, all the actions that you did within the task. And sharing, you can actually share this task with anyone within the organization. Task. Cool. And if we click through, you can see that you can jump to particular tasks, manual entry of tasks as well. This one, we're going to make it over the acceptable range so that a corrective action will pop up. And let's say we've completed the task. If we go back to the home screen, you can see that follow-ups and corrective actions have items within it. These items are all the follow-ups and corrective actions that have occurred within that particular site. In follow-up, you can see that there was a follow-up comment left by myself, and if we acknowledge it, it'll go to the acknowledge section of that. Here you can also see all the corrective actions, same workflow as follow-up. And as you acknowledge all of them, if you go back to the side menu, you can see all the follow-ups here as well as all the follow-ups that have been acknowledged. Same thing with corrective actions. And that essentially is the mobile app and how to complete a checklist and all the features and functions within that checklist.